Alrighty. Let's do this. Got our pieces. That'd be nice to weld that on there like that, wouldn't it now, huh? Would you have told me? You didn't see. Just going to, is this the other piece? It's the other piece. How am I putting that on there? Longer one on the top. We'll put that out there a little bit, so I'll try to get them somewhat straight. I don't want that piece up against the headlight. I just want to keep it. Ah. Just closing my eyes as I do it. Closing my eyes. Good enough. Five and 3/8. 5 3/8. 5 3/8. 5 and that's what it was, wasn't it? 5 3/8. Sure.